بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. We are in model 8, lesson 1, translations. So in this lesson, translate figures on the coordinate plane and use coordinate notation to describe translation. So the first idea of the meaning of transformations. A transformation is an operation that maps an original geometric figure onto a new figure. A transformation can slide, flip, turn, or resize a figure. The original geometric figure is called a pre-image, and the new figure is called the image. The graph shows a point on a coordinate plane that has been transformed to a new point. As you see here, we have A, and here we have a new point. This is pre-image, and this is image. So on the graph, A is the pre-image, and this sign is the image. What's the meaning of this sign? A, and we have this sign here, is read A prime. So when you see this sign here up the letter, means A prime. A prime means the image. Prime symbols are used for vertices in a transformed image. The second idea, translations on a coordinate plane. What's the meaning of a translation? Translation is a transformation that slides a figure from one position to another without turning it. When translating a figure, every point of the pre-image is moved the same distance and in the same direction. As you see here, we have, this is the pre-image. This triangle in blue color, ABC, this is the pre-image. And this is in the green color, A prime, B prime, C prime. This is the image. The triangle shown is translated 3 units to the left. As you see here, B, 3 units to the left, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 units to the left. And 2 units down, 1, 2. So this is the new point. This is the image. So this is B and this is B prime. This is the meaning of translation. As you see here, A, 3 units left, 1, 2, 3. Then 2 units down, 1, 2. So this is the image. And for C, 3 units left, 1, 2, 3. Then 2 units down, 1, 2. So this is the new image. Translate figures on the coordinate plane. The graph of the triangle JKL, this triangle, is shown. Graph the image of the triangle JKL after a translation of 2 units right and 5 units down. 2 units right and 5 units down. Write the coordinates of the image. So what I do in this case? The first part, graph the image of the triangle JKL after a translation of 2 units right and 5 units down. Translate a point J. So go to the J, then go 2 units right. This is 1, this is 2. Then 5 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the image. For J will be J prime, J prime. The same idea for K. 1, 2 to the right, then 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is K prime. This is the image. L, this is 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is L prime. And this triangle, J prime, K prime, L prime, this is the image for the pre-image, J, K, L. The second step, write the coordinates of the image. Use the graph to write the coordinate of the vertices of the image. What is the location of J in the coordinate plane? As you see J in the x-axis 1, 2, 3. So in the x-axis will be 3 or negative 3, sorry. And in the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 3, 4. So J will be what? Negative 3, 4. And what is the located of K? As you see in the x1 and in the y, 1, 2, 3. And what is the located of L? 1, 2, 3, 4 in the x. And in the y, 1. Type. So the pre-image or the pre-point J, negative 3, 4. Then the new one, as you see, the new one will be negative 1 in the x and negative 1 in the y. So will be negative 1, negative 1. Then K will be 1, 3. This is K, will be 1, 3. K prime, the image, as you see, will be here 3, 2. 3 and negative 2, sorry. Will be 3 and negative 2. 3 and negative 2. Then L negative 4, 1. L negative 4, 1. L prime, as you see, negative 2 and here negative 4. Negative 2 and here negative 4. This example, the graph of the triangle DEF has coordinates D 1, 1. This is D 1, 1. And E 3 minus 2. This is E 3 minus 2. And F 4, 3. Graph triangle DEF and its image after a translation of 5 units left and 3 units down. 5 units left and 3 units down. Write the coordinates of the image. Write the coordinates of the image. So the first part, graph the triangle DEF and its image after translation of 5 units left and 3 units down. So this is F 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is F prime. The same idea here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units left. Then 3 left. 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is D prime. The same idea here. This is E. So 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is E prime. The second part, or the part B, write the coordinates of the image. What is the coordinate of F here? Negative 1, 0. Negative 1, 0. And what is the coordinate of the, as you see here? Sorry, just minutes. Okay, sorry. So what is the coordinate of d prime? As you see here, we have minus 4 here, and here minus 3. And what is the coordinate of e prime? Minus 2, and here minus 5. This is the meaning of the translate or translation. Translation using coordinates. The coordinates of a translated image can be determined using the coordinate notation. So the animation shows that you can use the following coordinate notation to describe the translation from J to J prime. And as you see, this is J. How to get J prime? As you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units left. 6 units left. Then 2 units up. 2 units up. This is G prime. So as you see here, 3 will be negative 3, and 2 will be 4. So x will be x plus a, and y will be y plus b. A means that translate in the x-axis, and b means that translate in the y-axis. So the value of a is the number of units. The pre-image is translated left or right. And the value of b is the number of units is pre-image is translated up or down. Since point J moved 6 units to the left and 2 units up, the translation described using coordinate notation is xy will be what? X. The value of a here, 6 units left means minus 6, because left, always left means negative and right means positive. So it means x minus 6. Then y plus b, 2 units up means positive. So y plus 2, y plus 2. So we can write horizontal translation of A. The image's x coordinate is found by adding A to the 3 images x coordinate. And vertical translation of B, the image's y coordinate is found by adding B to the pre-image's y coordinate. So as you see here, we have the pre-image, the triangle ABC, and here we have the image, the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So x, y, the translation will be x plus A, and A means the notation to the right or to the left, and y plus B, and B means the notation up and down. So as you see here, B, 1, 2, 3, 3 units left, then 1, 2, 2 units down, 3 units left, means A equal minus 3, goes to the left, and 2 units down means B equal also minus 2 because to the down. So we got right x plus A, the value of A will be minus 3, will be x minus 3, and y plus B, y minus 2, because the value of B will be minus 2. Translate using coordinates. Triangle x, y, z has vertices x negative 1, negative 2, y 6, negative 3, and z2, negative 3, negative 5. Write the coordinate notation for a translation of 2 units left, means A equal negative 2 because to the left, 2 units to the left means negative 2, and 1 unit up, B equal 1. Then write the coordinates of triangle x prime, y prime, z prime. So the first step, write the coordinate notation for translation of 2 units left and 1 unit up. To translate the triangle 2 units left, subtract 2 from each x coordinate. To translate the triangle 1 units up, add 1 to each y coordinate. So the coordinate notation, x, y, the translation will be x plus A means x minus 2, and y plus B means y plus 1. Then write the coordinates of triangle x prime, y prime, z prime. The vertices of triangle x, y, z, as you see, we have 3 points here, x negative 1, negative 2. The translation will be x minus 2, y plus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. And minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. And here, 6 minus 2 will be 4. And minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. And here, 2 minus 2 will be 0. And minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4. So this is the vertices of the triangle x prime, y prime, z prime. In this example, the triangle ABC has vertices A, 3, 2, B, 1, minus 3, and C, negative 5, 0. Write the coordinate notation for a translation of 6 units left. What the meaning of 6 unit left means A will be negative 6, goes to the left. And 9 units down. What the meaning of 9 units down means B equal negative 9 because 9 units down. Then write the coordinate of the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So the first step, write the translation in coordinate notation. Always remember the translation for any point x, y will be x plus a and y plus b. This is the rule. Then you can substitute. xy will be x plus a, the value of a will be minus 6, as you see. Then y plus b, the value of b will be minus 9, as you see. Then write the coordinates of the image. You have 3 pre-images here. The first one, A. Three, 2. This is the pre-image. The translation will be A prime. The translation will be A prime. Use this rule. Use this rule. X minus 6. This is x. So 3 minus 6. And 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9. Will be 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. And 2 minus 9 will be minus 7. The second point, B. 1 minus 3. Then translation B prime. Use the same rule. X minus 6 means 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 means 1 minus 5. And minus 3 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9 means minus 12. The same idea for the third point, we have C, negative 5, 0. The translation will be C prime. Also use the rule. X minus 6 means minus 5 minus 6. Minus 5 minus 6 will be minus 11. Then 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 will be minus 9. So this is the images of the vertices. Use coordinate notation to describe translation. Right. Choose a point on the pre-image and its corresponding point on the image. For example, point A is located negative 7, 6, and point A prime is located at 2, negative 1. As you see here, this is the pre-image in the blue color, and in the green color here we have the image. And we want to know what is the rule, how to do this, how to do this translated. So you can take two corresponding points like A and A prime. What is the located of A? As you see, the located of A will be minus 7 and 6. And what is the located of A prime? Will be 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1. And the rule for the translation, xy translate x plus a and y plus b. Minus 6 and minus 7 and 6. Minus 7 here, the notation in the x-axis, this is the value of a. And 6 here, the notation in the y-axis, so this is this is b. So, sorry, here this is x and this is y. So we can substitute x plus a, the value of x will be negative 7 plus a, then y plus b, the value of y will be 6 plus b. The coordinates of the image are represented by negative 7 plus a and 6 plus b. We need to find the values of a and b. Since you know the coordinates of point a prime to negative 1, you can write two equations to find the values of a and b. So we can compare between this point and this point. As you see, this is x here and this is x here. So negative 7 plus a equal 2. So this is the first equation. And 6 plus b equal what? Equal negative 1. This is the second equation. We can solve the first equation and solve the second equation. We will get the value of a and the value of b. Then we can, so the translation described use coordinate notation is xy translated with x plus 9 and y minus 7. For example, here, use coordinate notation to describe the translation. We have here, this is a pre-image, and this is the image. Right. At the first, you can choose 2 points corresponding. For example, A and A prime. And remember, the rule of the translation xy, translation x plus a and y plus b. What is the located of a? As you see here, 2, negative 2. So we have a, 2, negative 2. And a prime will be 1 or negative 1. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. So this is the value of x here, and this is the value of y here. So we can use this rule, xy, here will be the value of x here, negative 1 plus a, and here the value of y will be 4 plus b. Then we want to find the value of a and the value of b. So we can compare with the pre-image. Negative 1 plus a equal to negative 1 plus a equals 2. So we can solve this equation. Take minus 1 to the second side. So a will be 2 plus 1 equals 3. And the second equation, 4 plus b equal negative 2. 4 plus b equals negative 2. Solve this equation, we can take 4 to the second side. So b equal minus 2 minus 4 will be minus 6. So we know now the value of a and the value of b. So we can go back to the same rule. X y translated x plus a, x. What is the value of a? 3. So will be, sorry here, minus 3 and b equal minus 6 means y equal y plus 6. So this is the ideas of our lesson. Who has any question about these ideas? Are all ideas clear for all? No questions, girls? No questions?
No questions.
Okay. Let us to take the attendance. Today, inshallah, I will send to you the homework about this lesson. I want from all please to work in this homework. I want from all students to work in this homework. Please solve at least 5 questions. At least 5 questions, and send me or resend me the homework in the team series. Tomorrow I will check with you the homework. Okay? So this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.